Hi, Erik Linask here at the Gaylord National Resort and Convention Center in Washington, D.C. Here for AstriCon 2010, opening day of AstriCon. Talking here with Paulo Mannheimer. He's the CEO of a company called Instant Solutions. They've got a product called Instant Voice. Paulo, welcome. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you very much.
And welcome to AstriCon. This is, I think you mentioned, your first AstriCon.
Yes, exactly. We've been attending the conference for some years, but this is the first time that we have a booth here.
So what made you decide to exhibit this year?
Well, we've been working with Asterisk already for 6 years, building up the product. Now we believe that the product is mature for worldwide distribution. So we decided to attend the first time here.
Oh, fantastic. So you mentioned the product. Tell me a little bit about it. You've got a call center related product. Tell me more about it.
Yeah, okay. So Instant Voice is a scalable call center Asterisk distribution. That means that you can start building your call center in 30 minutes. You can install our CD, boot it up on a new server, start building a call center for 10 agents, and then you can scale up it to 2,000 agents. This is where we stopped our testing. So this means that you can build a very, very large call center using our product. It's been highly tested, it's very stable. It comes with all the nuts and bolts that a regular call center needs, either inbound or outbound. So this is a little bit of the product.
And so basically you're providing all the call center functionality and features on top of the Asterisk PBX.
Exactly. It's very easy to install, very easy to maintain, very stable. Either if you have like an inbound call center, we have a very simple to use IVR editor, all web-based. We have more than 30 reports built in. If you want to build a different report, the database is open, you can build it. If you have an outbound call center, you can use our dialer. So all the basic and outstanding needs that a modern call center wants, it's built inside the product.
So how do you create a product that's scalable to go from, like you say, anything from 10 agents up to 10,000 agents?
So it's a lot of research and development, where most of the company are developers, and also we've been working with Asterisk since version 0.1, so we know a lot about the platform. We like very much to develop over it, and we like very much to contribute to the open source initiative. So, and I guess the part of our secret receipt is that we built from the ground up an automatic call distributor that is highly scalable and very flexible.
So as you move, you mentioned having been working with Asterisk for quite a period of time. How do you ensure that you've got compatibility with each new version of Asterisk?
Yeah, that's tough, but we have part of our team only working on that. So it's part of our effort to maintain our compatibility with new releases, and we work very hard on that. So we understand that the customers always want the cutting edge of technology on the Asterisk side, and so we put a lot of effort on that.
Let's talk for a moment about the Latin American market. I know you're expanding from there. What is, what's the situation with Asterisk? What's the interest in Asterisk-based solutions in Latin America? I heard somebody mention in one of the conference sessions today that there's an awful lot of interest in Asterisk.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Latin America is experiencing a very interesting time. Most of the countries are doing really well, especially Brazil, where we are based. And there's a lot of interest for IP PBXs and Asterisk as well. The community is expanding very rapidly, and everyone is considering using Asterisk as either an IP PBX or a call center platform. One of our customers is the Brazilian government. They have our product installed on a very large setup, more than 400 agents, and they are very happy with it.
So given what you said, there's an awful lot of interest in the Latin America region and Asterisk. Why are you now looking to, at this time, expand into other parts of the world?
Well, people say that the Brazilian market is like 1% of the world market, and I call this the Brazilian curse. So the Brazilian market is small and large at the same time. You can survive, you can do a lot of money if you stay just looking at the Brazilian market, but we find out, we believe that now it's the time to grow. The product is being very well accepted by our customers. It's very mature, it's highly scalable, so why just earn 1% of the market if you can earn 100, right? Or at least 95.
Sure, makes sense.
100 is only for Google, right? So.
So, one last question. You know, the call center market has traditionally been fairly slow to adopt new technologies. What are you seeing in terms of adoption of IP-based communications?
Well, I'm seeing a strong growth. I'm seeing some large call centers that are still reluctant in using an open source based solution. I believe these guys are going to have lots of trouble staying competitive, and this is actually something that we've been talking a lot with our customers. So don't be afraid of an open source solution. Don't pay $5 million if you can pay $1 million. So and I believe this is going, the sea tide is going to change in our favor very fast.
Excellent. Well, good luck as you expand outside of Brazil and outside of Latin America into the rest of the world. We've been talking here at the AstriCon 2010 with Paulo Mannheimer from Instant Solutions. Paulo, thanks for joining me.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.